18 easy ways to make any man chase you. You must learn how to make a man chase you if you want to keep his attention and keep him dedicated to you in the modern dating environment. Men like pursuing the women they desire, particularly if they are really in love with you. But how can you play this pursuing game so you don't lose him? It makes no difference if you've previously chased him or had a sexual relationship with him. Here are 18 techniques to make a guy chase you if you're trying to figure out how to use male psychology to get him to chase you once more. 1. Make him step up his game. You don't have to say yes to a guy right away just because he brings you flowers or chocolates. Make him put forth an extra effort to demonstrate how important you are to him. He must improve if he wants to stay with you. He must perform and be better. Don't give in to ease his pressure. They fall in love with you and may pursue you if you refuse to say yes to a man. Don't accept anything less. No, he must gain your respect and affection in order to obtain you since you are a valued person. 2. Make use of your magnetic femininity. Being a woman will naturally draw his attention to you, but you still need to make an effort to convey your interest. An illustration of how to use your feminine energy is to appear upbeat, flirty, fun, and open to his approaches. While you permit and enjoy such attention, he must be the one to make more of an effort to get your time and attention. How to do it right. Refrain from agreeing to everything. Allow a man to contact you frequently and make attempts to get out on dates when he expresses interest. Make him fit into your goals in life while you continue to live your own. 3. Be irresistible to him. Having physical appeal to men might make them pursue you. Men are drawn to what they perceive. Men are equally attracted to strong, self-assured women regardless of appearance. Whenever you're speaking with him, be assertive. Feel free to disagree with him. He won't be angry since you aren't yet his girlfriend. Instead, he will work hard to capture your heart and make you his girlfriend. 4. Establish your limits. Setting limits will demonstrate to your spouse that you have expectations and are not prepared to lower them. Your limits will be respected, and they'll make additional attempts to understand what makes you tick. Instead of making you follow their rules, your guy may want to improve. It is a sneaky method of pursuing someone. 5. Maintain sexual boundaries. A man may chase you if you pursue him slowly sexually. Give him a taste of everything, a little moment of pleasure, and then stop. He'll go crazy for this. By being loud about the physical activities you want, you may get him to chase you. But don't force yourself into it if you don't feel at ease having a sexual relationship with him. 6. Improve yourself. You don't have to be Angelina Jolie to attract a man. Dress nice, smell good, and radiate confidence. These are all enough to attract a man's attention. A nice personality attracts the attention of handsome guys who are worth pursuing. 7. You should live your own life. If your boyfriend discovers that your life revolves around him and you have no life of your own, he will lose interest in you. The easy way is to recollect your life before meeting him. Maintain a social life, make new friends, be there for your family, and work toward your job objectives. Never put a man ahead of your priorities. 8. Show limited interest. You may be desperate for a text from him, but never let him smell your desperation. Respond to his texts, but not right away. Tell him about yourself, but not everything. Allow him to strive hard to pique your interest. Tell him you like him, but don't let him see how crazy you are for him. 9. Don't panic if he pulls back. He may draw back after lavishing you with attention. He may also take longer to respond to your texts or not respond at all. He might be doing this to put you to the test. You may pester him for a response if you believe he has lost interest. Don't do it. Wait it out and observe how he comes back to you on his own. 10. Make him miss you. He would take you for granted if you are always at his beck and call. Remember, he has to pursue you. Therefore, you must appear exclusive to him. Go off the grid from time to time. If you live together, spend some time with your friends. Allow him to miss you and recognize your worth in his life by allowing him to spend time without you. 11. Don't show too much enthusiasm. You're sure to become delighted when he proposes a date or an outing. However, keep it a secret. Let him know that you are interested in it, of course, but refrain from contacting him frequently or expressing your excitement about the date. His joy may be ruined by your overly enthusiastic attitude, since he may think you are too responsive to his requests. 12. Make him feel appealing. Compliment or acknowledge his work on occasion. If he is the one doing all of the pursuing and not receiving anything in return, he may become tired and quit the chase. Tell him when he looks well or when he does something well. Tell him that you have noticed and are interested in him. 13. Give him space. Some males like withdrawing into their shells and spending time alone. If he refuses to see you because he wants to watch a football game, do not have a dispute with him about it. Allow him to be and spend some time apart from you. He will value your companionship and want you in his life once he realizes that you can be by yourself without troubling him. 14. Seduce him. Try some subtle seduction techniques to make him fall in love with you. For example, if he indicated that he loves you with your hair down, make sure you wear your hair loose the next time you meet him. Play with your hair casually or sexily. Try to appear unconscious of the effects it has on him. Do it lightly and naturally. 15. Flirt with him. You may spice things up by flirting with him, but don't go too far or he'll notice your desperation. Just a seductive response to his question or a provocative suggestion followed by a beautiful smile should be enough. Flirting can help make things more intriguing. 16. Be a cheerleader for him. Take an interest in his work even if you don't understand much about it. Encourage him when he succeeds and assist him when he requires it. He will seek you because he knows he will never find another you if you fill his universe with warmth and affection. 17. Make some wonderful memories with him. Have fun and go on an exciting adventure with him. He will always desire you in his life if he likes spending time with you and knows he can have a good time with you. He will pursue you to the ends of the earth in order to spend time with you and experience happiness and excitement. 18. Complete him. Some men like women who possess attributes that they might appear to lack when hunting for a spouse. Therefore, if your man lacks confidence and you are able to demonstrate to him how confident you are personally, he will immediately want to be with you. He will pursue you because he believes that you will complete and compliment him. If you are very serious about making your man chase you, click the first link in the video's description and figure out how to get any man emotionally addicted to you to the point where you are the only woman he will ever think about. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Thanks for watching.